Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we will learn a new technique to level our bed. If you have an FDM 3D printer, many times you need to level your bed according to the extruder. So your first layer is very nice, and when your first layer is very nice, you get better adhesion and better prints. Some 3D printers come with auto bed leveling system, but not all. So in many 3D printers, we manually level the bed ourselves. Generally, we have a traditional method to level our 3D printer's bed. We use a piece of paper and we have the distance of the piece of paper from the bed and to the extruder. I was also using this method in my beginning time, but now I have completely left that method because this new method is faster, more accurate and cheaper also, because you do not need any kind of paper and other things. In this new method, we will just directly level our bed when our printer is printing. So let's get started with this new method. For that we need a square kind of 3D model. You can use any 3D model which is square in shape. So for that I will use this cube from Thingiverse. I will give the link in the description. Here I have imported the model into my slicer. I am using Simplify 3D, but you can do it in any other slicing software because we need only the skirt option, which is almost available in all the slicing softwares. Now we will scale our model around 80% of our bed. You do not need to be very accurate. Almost 80% will do fine. We will use the skirt of our model, which will be created outside of our model. Now I will go in the process, and there we will go in the addition tab. There I will set it to have few outline skirts, which we will use to level our bed. I will set it to 25. 25 is enough. It means that it will create 25 lines around the model before creating the actual model. Let's create the G code. These are our skirt outlines. We will use them to level our bed. Let's go in the beginning, and now I will show that how it will do in the virtual viewport. You can see that it is creating our skirt outlines, and these will be used for bed leveling. So before creating the actual model, first it will create 25 outskirt lines. We would not need all these 25 lines. For bed leveling, 8 to 10 lines will be enough. We would be done before it is creating 8th or 10th line. Here I have uploaded the G-code file in my ANET A8 3D printer. Before homing your Z, we need to take our bed a little bit more down. So for that we will tighten all the screw so our bed should become more round, and we will tighten it in all four corners. Now we need to take our extruder down. For that I will home the Z axis. It starts to go down to the build plate. We have already tightened the screws, so the bed is a little bit more down to the extruder, so it should not hit the bed. You can see it did not hit the bed, and now we have a little gap between the bed and the extruder. Time to start our print now. Friends, our printing has been started. It's time to level our bed while it is printing. We can also call it online bed leveling. So as we made our G-code file, it will first print the skirt lines of the model. So it will go all around the four corners. By looking at this, we can see that our nozzle is quite much up. It is not touching the bed. So now what should we do? You can see that it is not touching the nozzle. So now we need to adjust the screws of the bed. So I will loosen the bed I will loosen the screws so bed will move up. We need to loosen the screws in all four corners so the bed will be parallel. Keep doing it until you find that we are getting good adhesion in the line. Still our nozzle is far away from the bed, so I also need to loosen more. So the bed will go up and there will be less distance between the nozzle and the bed. This side is looking good and this side is not looking so good, so I will loosen it a little more. We can remove the lines which are not doing good, so we will see the fresh lines, and just keep doing it until you are getting a good adhesion. So I will loosen few more so the bed will go up, and now we are getting some more adhesion. Remove this line also. I will lose a little more. You can see that now we are getting a little more adhesion in the lines. We are almost there. Our lines are now sticking quite well. You can see in all the four corners. Now you can see that we have started getting a little bit adhesion in our lines. There is no need of any kind of paper or other thing. We just do it online while our printer is printing. And you can see our lines are quite much stuck to the bed. And where you see that there are some loosened one, you lose the bed screw. So it will take the bed closer to the nozzle, and in that corner also you will start getting good adhesion. And now you can see we are getting good adhesion in that corner also. So by practice you will be able to do it faster and more accurately. And now I can see that our bed is leveled quite good. And the lines are looking good. So this will make your first layer very nicely stuck to the bed. That will give you a better print. So now very fast, very quickly and very accurately we have leveled our bed. And by practicing you will be able to do it more fast. So keep repeating this process until you are happy about the adhesion of your lines. So in this method this is faster and more accurate also. Now I am happy with all four corners. Now they are all sticking properly, and I can see that I am getting a very good line on my print bed. Let's have a closer look to the lines. When I zoom it, when I go closer to the lines, you can see that they are very much stuck to the bed. They are not getting off. I am trying to remove it with my nails, but they are quite much stuck, and I have got a very nice lines, a very good first layer that will help you to print your parts nicely. You can see in all the four corners I am getting very good lines. I am very happy with this. So with this method you can do your bed leveling much faster and more accurate also. I have been using this method for almost 3 years. In the beginning time I was also using paper method, but I found it more accurate and more easy. So now I use this method. You can also use this method to level your bed. So friends, thanks for watching and hope you like this video and you subscribe to my channel also.